just putting this up. This is the Pick a Stick Challenge page, which is not what I'm here to talk about today, but because the video went so awry, my computer died. I tried filming with my phone, didn't work real well, but I just wanted to tell you a little bit about this page. Um, it was something that I did and I filmed, and I do have a copy out on YouTube. However, it is not out there for publication for everybody. So if you want to see it, you need to go to the iCard up above and find the video because it's unlisted. Because I don't want a bunch of trolls in there talking about what a bad video it is, because it's not the widescreen video, because I couldn't get it to come out with the camera that I was using. So I apologize in advance. I just wanted to provide it for you if you were interested in knowing how I created this. So let me go back and start talking about the ATCs, which is what I originally intended this video to be about. I'd been in a discount aisle at one of the craft stores and I found these paint pens. So I used the gold and the black and I painted out the cardstock. I'm just showing some of the ATC backgrounds that I'm going to work on eventually. And then I'm pulling out the ATCs that were from the video that I lost. These are pictures of the stamped image that I put on that one, the drawn image on that one. This one was for my creative year, and this one everybody seems to like a lot, so I need to duplicate how I did that one. This one's got the fuzzy hair. This one, oh my, yeah. I made a lot of ATCs and I videotaped them, but of course when my computer dies, I don't have video to share with you. So anyway, I'm just showing you how you can turn a very simple image into an ATC. You know, this is how I drew the face on the one, how you can make little animals and things out of a squiggle blob. You know? So anyway, I'm drying these off now. The paint was still a little bit wet, and I want to get to spraying them. These are those dilution sprays, and you know, the dilution sprays on any surface, I don't care how many times you cover it over, they're going to come through. So what am I doing? I am going to use that to my advantage. I have Stencil Girl stencils that are artist trading card stencils. There are 9 images on each of these stencils that are sized to fit on an artist trading card, or ATC. That's 2.5 by 3.5 inches. So I'm going to pick one of those and apply some paint, and you're going to see the magic happen. Isn't that just the coolest thing to see that color popping through? And the white actually mutes down those vibrant colors, so it becomes very pastel looking uh, color on top of that black background. So I'm going to repeat that because, you know, we have to have more than one artist trading card, right? And use a different stencil this time and create a second card. So I hope you're playing along and creating daily art. There are a lot of different ways to do daily art, daily sketches, you know, whatever trips your trigger, but artist trading cards are what are doing it for me this month. So I'm just going to do some embellishing on here. I'll finish this up. If you enjoyed this and you're new to my channel, please give it a thumbs up and ring the bell for notifications so that you get notified when new content comes out on my channel. And then also, if you'd like to, and you have not already, please subscribe. And, I'll be back with more video before the end of the month because we've got more to do. And I hope you enjoyed this. There'll be kind of a photo montage there at the end of all the different ATCs that I've been showing you here. And that's about it for my creation. I'm going to just continue embellishing and then show you the cards. So, bye for now.